Camp essentials. When you go camping, you must have beer and other stuff. Hey, it's Travel Gigolo, and we want you to go camping. Here's how, why, and where. So why camping? Because you get to enjoy all of this. Being out in the natural environment, away from the hustle and the bustle and the stress of the city, good place to rejuvenate. Camping is one of our favorite ways to travel. We've camped in the savannah of Limpopo, we've camped in the desert in Namibia, we've camped on the beach in the Northern Cape, we've camped in the Karoo, we've camped in the Magalies, and it is truly one of the best ways to experience the environment, no filter. So what do you need to go camping? First thing is a tent, camping chairs, a nice long electric cable, in your tent a mattress, maybe a blow-up mattress, and sleeping bags. Shisanyama is essential. Most campsites have a braai area, but if you really need to, you can bring your own little braai stand. A good cooler box to keep all your essential things nice and cold. Some things must be kept very cold. Cheers. So where to go camping? There are a number of areas fairly close to Gauteng if that's what you're looking for. So the Magalies, Parys and the Vaal River. If you want to go a bit further out, then Limpopo, Mpumalanga, the Free State, have a look at some of our videos that we've done on some of those camping sites. Camping essentials: a tent, beer, cooler box, beer in your cooler box, camping chairs with a holder for your beer, and some really good beer.
Thank you to sponsors Boston Breweries. Remember to drink responsibly. Not for sale to persons under the age of 18.